Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to test organic honey using easy methods. Ensuring your honey is pure means you get all its natural benefits. Many products on the market are not 100% pure, often containing added sugars or water. These simple home tests can help you distinguish genuine honey from altered versions, giving you confidence in what you consume. Let's dive into the first method. Our first method is the simple water test. Take a clear glass and fill it with room temperature water. Gently add 1 tablespoon of honey into the water without stirring. Pure honey is dense and will typically sink to the bottom, forming a lump. If your honey quickly dissolves or disperses throughout the water, it likely contains added sugars or water, indicating it may not be pure. Next up is the quick thumb test. Simply place a small, single drop of honey onto your clean, dry thumb. Observe how it behaves. Genuine, pure honey is viscous and will stay in one place, maintaining its shape. If the honey is impure or diluted with water, it will be less viscous and tend to spread out or run off your thumb quickly. This is a very fast way to check its consistency. For our final test, let's try the flame test, but please exercise caution. Dip the tip of a cotton bud into a small amount of honey. Now, try to light the honey-coated end with a match or lighter. Pure honey is naturally flammable and should ignite and burn easily. If the honey is adulterated with water or other additives, it will likely sizzle, struggle to light, or simply not burn at all due to the moisture content. This test helps reveal hidden water.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.